in this lecture we'll know how to put borders. So here suppose we need to put borders in this status to make it distinctive. So after selecting this data, the right hand side of underline, we can see the icon for boxes. Here in the right, clicking the right side, you can see different types of borders that you can use. So here we are using the thick box border. So after clicking this thick box border, this data, it's differentiated by this border. So you can use different types of border from this icon. So here you can also customize your border, so by line style, line color, or if you want to use more borders, then by clicking more borders you can select from here, and from different styles, different colors in the border, and you can customize it by your own wish. So by clicking in this border icon, we can use borders whatever we want to use those.